214 Raleigh. I got the hit and run suspect vehicle here on Navajo. 217. If you're on one, come to Navaho.
214.
Start meeting 10-8 units. I got 3 subjects in it.
See what I'm showing.
Stay in the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle right now. Turn off the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle, man. Put your hands on the steering wheel. 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 Get out the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. 217, step it up. Nah, get out the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. Nah, get out the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. Get out the vehicle. Right now. Get out the vehicle. Right now. Get out the vehicle. Let go. Let go. Now get out the vehicle. Put your hand behind your back. Get your hand behind your back now. Right now. On your belly. On your belly. On your belly.
Roll on your stomach.
On your belly.
All right. Go ahead.
We're on Navajo. We can't find you.
What do you mean you can't find us?
We're right in front of the
We're
office.
right in front of the office.
Like middle of the road on
Navaho.
Go ahead and roll EMS.
Go ahead and roll EMS. Do we need this guy in the white Nike hoodie?
What happened?
Yes. Yes, grab him. Grab him. Grab him. He fled from the vehicle. Sit down. Sit down on the curb. Sit down. I don't know. Should be a heavy-set male, Hispanic, light-skinned.
125.
Sit down! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
125, what's your location?
Stay in the car.
What is going on? Front of building 833.
Stay in the car. Hey, put your hands up on the
You 1095.
Out. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Right here. Put your hands on your...
You hear me?
Put my hands in the car. They give me a chance.
Can't even fucking get breakfast.
I got another
214 Raleigh. Just give us a channel and send us a supervisor.
210s is out.
I'm still in, bro. I don't give a fuck.
210 copy. Take ops number 6. Ops number 6.
Way too.
Still requesting EMS? You did copy EMS, correct?
Getting breakfast night.
About 25-year-old male, bleeding pretty profusely from the face, conscious and breathing.
Yeah, I did that too.
Copy that. Ops number 6.
I got it all recorded. Yeah, bro. I don't give a fuck if they take me.
Op 6.
Pierce, are you alright?
Am I alright? No, I'm not alright. You yanked
125 and 411, 1095. We're walking back.
fucking me.
Appreciate it.
You guys need more units?
I was really close to the fucking house.
Yeah, bro, we could just go
fucking there.
We got it under control now. If we can get one more additional, we should be good beyond that.
Alright, give me a minute. I'm with Kathleen. We'll also clear in a second here.
Okay. I'm looking at you.
You guys
I'm looking
got
at
everything
you.
stabilized for now?
Bro, with nothing, bro. I say get the fuck out of the car.
Yeah, we got 4 detained.
Hey,
How do you think I'm
when we give you commands like that, because we don't know what's in the car, right? We don't know what's in the car. It's dangerous for us. It's dangerous for you.
Okay, but
and then you got people that are trying to reach across, like this girl, and sticking a phone on her face, which is fine. She can do that, but from afar, she can't be getting close to us. I'm gonna sit you up, okay?
Listen, only reason she grabbing by my cane, bro, I told God the phone, nigga can't hold me, bro.
Okay.
Grab by my hand,
let me stand you up. Are you ready?
I got in my hand, bro.
I'm gonna stand you up.
But my mama, she ain't gonna stay like that. I'm about to get him black. Y'all just arresting me?
You are under arrest.
For what?
Well, I don't know all the charges yet, but at the very hold on, hold still. At the very minimum, for resisting, delay, and obstruct.
I'm already arrested for the man stroke.
Stay right here. I'm gonna have you lean against this car, okay?
Can I get my sweater low? I ain't going.
I'm gonna leave it just like this until EMS comes and checks you out, okay? No, stay right here. Stay right here, bro.
Stay right here. I'm about to tell my sister.
Do you want me to have you sit down?
I already know, but I'm about to tell my sister.
No, do you want me to help you sit down? Or are you all right?
I'm not gonna. Bro.
Sit down.
Look at me.
Do you live here?
Nah, I don't live here. My friends do, bro. I don't even know why y'all doing that shit to me. Like, only thing I was saying, bro. Listen, I want to talk to you about yourself. I'm gonna talk to you about yourself.
Okay, let's talk.
Only thing I was saying to y'all, bro. What the hell going on? Cause you feel me? Like, what the fuck? If you tell me, bro, this and that. A nigga came and grabbed by my hand, put my hand there. Y'all can't be beating me.
So
my friends
when we give you commands to exit the vehicle and there's fighting, and I'm being told to step it up.
Oh, wait, it's fighting where?
I don't know if there's a gun. I don't know what we have going on. You know what I mean?
Okay, look, I'm about to tell you something. Y'all can look to my car, find no guns and nothing.
Okay. But we don't know that. We don't know that.
I understand, but look what y'all just did to my face.
You did get messed up pretty good.
Look at my arms, bro. Come on, bro.
I'm gonna get your information from you.
I ain't never gotten arrested, bro.
Okay. You've never been arrested before?
Yes,
okay.
Bro. Y'all tripping on me?
Okay. It's just a matter of listening. You've been involved in a couple of hit and runs today.
Bro, and the hit and runs.
This is obviously him. We're gonna get you in here and get your face cleaned up, okay? There's been a few wrecks that it's been involved in, so we don't know.
I don't like people paying my face.
I'm